Take out a whiteboard, fix it on the desktop. Take a piece of white clay, knead it into an oval shape. Put it on the whiteboard, press it with your palm. Stick it on the whiteboard, draw a texture on the oval shape clay with a rubber nib. And cut off the excess white clay with a ruler, and the banana body is finished. Take light brown clay, knead it into oval clay balls, flatten it. Draw the grain with a rubber nib. Rub it into long strips with dark brown clay, cut off excess clay with a ruler. Knead small dark brown clay into balls, and stick them on the right side of the oval piece. And the wooden door will be completed. Stick the wooden door on the bottom of the banana body. Knead the green clay into a ball. Press out the marks in the middle of the ball with a tool to make leaves. And stick the finished leaves around the wooden door, as shown in the video. Take dark brown clay, rub it into a ball, and press it into a round piece. Stick 2 crossed yellow clay strips on the round piece. At the same time, stick yellow clay strips around the round piece. When the window is finished, stick it on the left side of the banana body. Next, take yellow and white clay, knead it into clay strips with thin ends and thick ends, and squash them. Stick the white clay piece on the yellow clay piece, flatten it gently, and draw the texture on the white clay piece with a rubber nib, and a banana peel is finished. Pick up the banana peel, stick one side of it on the top of the banana, turn the other side back. Make more banana skins. And stick them on the top of the banana in the same way. Finally, rub a cylinder with green clay and stick it on the joint of banana peel. As shown in the video, use a rubber nib to smear the joint of yellow clay and green clay, so that the clay can be fused together, and the banana hut is finished. Come and try it together.